Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we ordered from the Vacuum Parts Canada. I think this came from Amazon. This is from Amazon. This is the company that sells on Amazon, that sells vacuum parts. They're really one of the only companies that are licensed to sell parts, so it's just easier to buy, whatever. You can only get what you can get, and that's it. You can't complain. So in here is the power brush, PN33 in black. I wish it came in blue, but it tells you black, but I think they're all black. Here is the, whatever, that stuff. The stick, the wand. I guess that would be called the wand. And here's a little hose hanger. I guess you screw it in like this with the two screws like that, and then the hose goes on it. This is a real piece of crap, it looks like. Here's the accessory pack that is included. All right, so this is the floor brush that my mom's going to be using to do the floors if, if this doesn't really work. So, if this is just used for carpet, so this is pretty much it. It has a swivel head on it. This is from Canavac. Is the company. It doesn't say Canavac on any of the accessories, so we do not know where these are made or anything like that. But it comes with these attachments. So here's the attachment. It's like that. I don't know why it has that groove in there like that, but this is what it looks like, and it has these little notches right there that I do not know what those notches are for. Here is, I think, an accessory holder. I don't even know what this is, but there's some kind of accessory holder, I think. You go like that, and you put the stuff on it, and it's made to, hold your accessories, I guess, or some. Yeah, it looks like something like that. These don't. Oh, here, these accessories have like little things in them. That's the reason why. There we go. See, has little caps in there. That's the reason why I couldn't get it. They have clips in there that keep it tight. And then we got the 35-foot hose, just so we have the extra 5 feet, because you don't want to be short and then be mad that you got the short one. I'd rather be long and then be mad I got the long one, because then I could still reach and clean everything. So this is kind of what the hose looks like. So the end of the hose looks like this, because I could not find pictures of this anywhere. So the hose looks like this, has the metal right there, and then it also has the plug right here that you would be plugging into the wall. So I'm going to try to make this into my own little thing right here and see what I can do is the plan. Because I want to be able to use this with my, if you see my installation and my reviews, we got the Chameleon vacuum system, and we're going to be installing that as well. So this is what the head looks like right here. It has a 1 and a 2. I'm not sure what anything means. Maybe 1 is for vacuum, 2 is for the power head. Usually, I saw a couple of reviews that said that doesn't even work, so I'm not sure. This is Canavac. Well, it doesn't say Canavac. This says CGH, so that must be the name of the company that makes it for Canavac. And that's it. It comes with this swivel. It feels pretty good. It feels decent. I can't really compare it to anything because we never had a central vacuum before, so I don't know. When my sister comes, maybe we should get a review from her and see how, it feels compared to the one that she uses. So I'm not going to unravel this because these are the ends. It's 35 foot. What else do you want? I'm going to try to figure out, like I said, how to take this apart, because I do not want this on, and I want to see if I can make this. Yeah, it looks like the wire goes inside this groove right here, and then it goes up to it. So we're going to diagnose that, figure out how we're going to custom make a power head for my mom to use around the house. All right, so here is the power head right here, the electric one. All right, so this is the electric power head. Wow, that thing's big. I didn't know it was that big. That thing's a monster. It looks small in the picture. This is just going to be an unpackaging review. We're going to come back and use it and all this other stuff. But this is what we got, the power nozzle. I am not sure about the brand. It's called the PN33 power nozzle. So I couldn't find that anywhere. This says Johnny Vac. Here it is right here, Johnny Vac. And here's the thing. Here it is right here, just in case you lose yours. You can give that a pause. Sorry if it's a little blurry. There it is. Okay. All right, like I said, this is just in case you lose your instructions, because sometimes I, lose mine and then you can't find them. And then I looked on Google and it's not that easy to find the exact instructions for the model. I mean, it is probably easier now, but it wasn't as easy back then, so. Okay, so that's it. This is kind of what's up and what it looks like. We'll get a measurement of everything for you. So this is 14 inches wide. Yep, this is 14, without the bumpers, this is 14 inches wide. This looks like what, the on and off button maybe? There's a dirt sensor that tells you when it's clean. That's really cool. This thing was very expensive if you get it separate. Alone, I think this thing was $300 or something like that, separator. And then we got it a lot cheaper when it came with the package. I think it was only $100 for this, so that's awesome. So this is kind of the height adjustment. You just hit this. I guess with your foot, you would hit this, and the numbers go up right there. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think that's it, yes. And then it goes down from there. That is so cool. This is really cool, kind of swivels. So it seems like it's going to be a good, that goes, see, look at that. It swivels pretty good. So you can vacuum and get around and just flick your wrist and control it. So that should be really cool. Wand release, I guess you press on this and then the wand will come out with your foot, so they make that very cool. And then the bottom of it's right here. It does have the bar, so that's the height adjustment bar right there. We're gonna put it back on. Okay, so 1 is the lowest, I guess. And then here's the brushes right here. They are pretty cool. It's like a polymer on the inside. I mean, it says this is supposed to last a really long time. Here it is, Power Brush PN33 Intertech. Here's the serial. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything, and I don't even know what this is for. This is probably to clean blockages, I guess, easily if you get something stuck in there. But I'm guessing this is probably the belt right here that goes over that, and that's how you're gonna mess with the belt. I would think so. Yeah, that's about it for it, okay? So here's the screwdrivers where you would open it. It looks pretty simple. And that's about it. So that's it for the unboxing review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.